Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. I have a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid Touring. I'm going to give you the 10,000 miles update. So I'm going to talk about what kind of issues I encounter and give you anything on the mileage that you get better MPG, any maintenance to perform, and any recalls. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button. If you want to be notified, hit the bell icon, and I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. So I have a silver lunar metallic. That's the silver color. It looks really nice in the daytime and it shines and glows. But the Touring model is the top of the line model, and this is the Touring model. So how the trim levels is done by Honda, they don't have a lot of different packages, the thing you can add. And the next level down is the EXL. So probably the EXL or the Touring is about the same, except that you have more bells and whistles here and there. One problem I did run into for this vehicle is the minor issue with the run channel at the driver door, which the dealer is taking care of. It's just a little deformed, but it's no major thing. Overall, nothing else has been replaced on the vehicle overall, and it still drives really great. So I'm going to share what I learned, the 10,000 mile. I noticed that the temperature has gotten warmer here, so anything above 70 degrees Fahrenheit is a really good driving condition to drive this vehicle in particular. Note that I do have the lithium ion battery, so that's very sensitive to temperature as well too. So above 70 and you keep it within 60 to 70 miles per hour, you're gonna get good mileage overall. Assuming you don't go uphill a lot and you're just driving by yourself, you're driving a lot of people, and you're going uphill a lot, you're not going downhill much, then your MPG definitely will suffer. I do have a video on a particular on what affects your MPG driving. You might want to check the description if you're interested in finding a little bit more about it. And also, I've been using the brake regen and also the paddle shifter regen as well too. So those could actually help you as well. I noticed the temperature varies a lot in my location, and also the MPG varies. So if you drive for the whole week or you drive it for one day, you could get your MPG will vary a lot overall. And also, I noticed that if you try different gasoline, different octane levels, it doesn't really make a difference. So don't waste your money on going for the premium or mid-grade or the base. So if you really like a premium or mid-grade, then I'll go for it. I do notice this vehicle has some rattles or squeaks more often when it's very warm because maybe the plastic expands or something. But that doesn't bother me. It doesn't happen all the time. And I noticed that there's very minor at most. Currently, I don't have any recalls done on this vehicle. And, I'm just making this video on the 13th of July. So everything works really well. No electrical problems and no warnings or anything like that. The radio still works fine also. So it's been great for me so far. So I have a vehicle inspection checklist that the dealer gave me at my service. I did do the oil I mentioned, and the oil, the drain plug, the bolt, and rotate the tires. Everything was great on the vehicle. Notice one thing I do want to point out, so people that are not familiar with Honda, the battery, the car battery, not the hybrid battery, that comes in the vehicle only lasts 3 to 5 years. That's why I noticed in my area. If you drive more than 5 years on the same battery, you got bonus. Tire conditions are 8 and 7s. Got those rotated, and the 33 psi's. I do have a spare tire. You can check my description. I put a spare tire kit if you want to get a spare tire. Really great for emergency. I used it myself because I had a flat tire. You probably noticed before. So the brakes are 9 millimeters. And as for any hybrid, you probably notice you don't do maintenance as often like in regular gasoline only vehicles. So the brakes and oil changes occur at a higher mileage. Hopefully this helps you out. I really appreciate thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye.